Hello everyone, welcome to Preschool Fun Learning, where learning is fun. I hope you all are good. So today we will talk about counting numbers from 1 to 100 and skip counting. Yes, the topic which is a little bit difficult for the kids to understand. But I have created few activities and I will tell you the secret trick so that child will easily learn the skip counting. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of these fun learning videos. So without wasting any time, let's start today's video with the first activity of counting numbers. So this is our first activity of counting numbers from 1 to 100. You can teach your kids how to count numbers from 1 to 20, 1 to 250, 1 to 100 with the help of this activity. What I have done in this activity is I have created two wheels and I have written numbers from 0 to 9 on both the wheels. And I have created one funny face for the children so that they feel the activity interesting. Now what we can do is we can arrange like this. In the first wheel, left hand wheel, I have arranged the number on 0 and on the right hand wheel, I have arranged on 1. So we can read this as 1. Then we'll rotate the wheel and this as 2. Then rotate number 3. Then rotate number 4. Then rotate number 5. Rotate number 6. Number 7. That way child will going to learn till 9. Then what happened? Now here comes the 0. So rotate this wheel and now the number is 1 0. So 1 0 is 10. 1 1 is 11. Like that ways you can rotate this left hand wheel. So it becomes 4 1, that is 41. 4 2, that is 42. That ways you can see I can increase the counting till 7 to 72. So this is the best activity for counting numbers from 1 to 100. And with the help of this activity, child will definitely going to enjoy and learn the numbers from 1 to 100. So this is our next activity for skip counting. Now in this you can see I have drawn one monkey. I have drawn a ladder also. This is skip counting by 2s and this is skip counting by 3s. What I have done is I have drawn these ladders but I have not written numbers on it, right? And I have written the secret trick. First, let me tell you the secret trick. How to teach skip counting by 2s. हमें इसमें क्या करना है? हमें बच्चे को समझाना है that for skip counting by 2s, for number 2, they have to draw two objects and they have to draw objects one below the other so that they can get all the numbers for skip counting by 2. कैसे करना है? See, like for skip counting by 2, I have drawn two circles over here. Two circles draw किए हैं, so उसके आगे I have written number 2, right? Then I have drawn two more circles. Then total number of circles 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have written 4. Then I have drawn two more circles below that. Then total number of circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. Then two more circles below it and total number of circles 8. Then two more circles, then total number of circles will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So child will write 10 over here. इससे क्या होगा? Why I am telling this secret trick? So that child will draw the objects and will count and write the numbers over here. So that child can memorize the skip counting by 2s. So that जब भी हम उसे कोई प्रॉब्लम देंगे मिडल से that what will be the skip counting by 2 from number 4, he or she can easily tell that after 4 number 6 will come, 8 will come and 10 will come, right? अगर हम ये प्रैक्टिस बार बार बच्चों से कराएंगे, so like this, if they will write the number like this, they will going to memorize it. इस एक्टिविटी को थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए आई हैव ड्रॉन दिस मंकी एंड वी कैन टेल द चाइल्ड दैट दिस मंकी वांट्स टू जंप बिकॉज मंकी जंप्स, राइट? So this monkey wants to jump by skip counting the 2s. So child have written the numbers, skip counting of 2s, that these numbers will going to come. So you can tell your child that they can write the numbers on each ladder like this. These are the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 like this. So they will write like this: 2, then 4, then 6, then 8 and then 10. Yay! Monkey becomes happy, right? So like that ways, this is skip counting by 2s. इसी तरह से हम skip counting by 3s भी समझा सकते हैं. Like because this is skip counting by 3s, so we have to draw 3 objects over here. You can draw any object, a star shape, circle shape, any object which child finds interesting, and they have to write 3 here because they have drawn 3 objects. So they will write 3. Skip counting for 3s के लिए they have to draw 3, 3, 3 again and again, and then they have to count the total number. So again I will draw 3 more and count the total number of circle, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then again I will draw 3 and I will count the total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then again I will draw 3 and I will count all the circles, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? That way you can extend the numbers. It depends on the child that whether child knows the counting till 50 or till 100. That way. Then you can tell the child to write the numbers on the ladder like 3, 6, 9, 12. If I'll draw 3 more, so here it will be 15. So child will write 15. So इस एक्टिविटी से बच्चे की क्या प्रैक्टिस होगी? They will memorize the skip counting. They will know what the numbers will come. They know how to write and they know how to count, right? Now, second method of teaching skip counting is by number line. This is the simplest method. आप चाहे तो ये method अपना सकते हैं with the help of activity. And if the child is grown older and can learn this number line system, then it is very good. Then you can draw this type of number line from 0 to 10. And for skip counting by 2s, you can tell that we are on number 0. Then we have to skip the numbers by 2s. For skipping numbers by 2, that means we have to jump on every second number. Every second number. That means this is first number, this is second number. Like this. From here first number and this is second number. So on 4. From here first number, second number. So here first number, second number. So here first number, second number. So on to 10. You can see the answers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. जैसे हमने इस एक्टिविटी में किया था 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. But I personally feel that this type of activity is much easier for the child to understand. क्योंकि इसमें बच्चा खुद ड्रॉ करके नंबर्स लिखेगा तो वो उसके लिए बहुत इजी होगा करना और समझना skip counting को in comparison to this number line. But some children feel this method as much more easier than the activity. So I am telling you this method also, that you can use this skip counting with the help of number line. बस इसमें हमें क्या बात समझानी है बच्चे को, that for skip counting by 3s we have to jump on every third number. Skip counting by 4 we have to jump on every fourth number. For skip counting by 5 we have to jump on every fifth number. Right? Like that ways you can use this number line method also for skip counting. Now this is our one more activity for skip counting. I have drawn a train over here. Now as you all know, this is pandemic is going on and every child knows about social distancing, I think. क्योंकि बच्चों को भी पता है that we have to stay inside, we have to wash our hands and we have to maintain some social distance. That's why they are not going to school also, right? So हम क्या कह सकते हैं हमारे बच्चे को, that this is a train and they can board the train only if they will going to sit a distant apart. वो तभी इस ट्रेन में बोर्ड कर पाएंगे जब वो थोड़ा दूरी पे बैठेंगे. और कितनी दूरी पे बैठेंगे? Suppose we want to teach this skip counting by 2s. Suppose we have to teach this skip counting by 2s. So we can say that the train TT have allowed to sit on every second bogie. right? So every second bogie, that means first passenger will come and will sit on number 2. Then after 2, first and second number is 4. So second will come and sit on number 4. Then first, second is number 6. So this is 6 like this. So you can see numbers here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So every passenger will going to sit by skipping one number, that is onto the second number. For skip counting by twos हमें क्या करना है? We have to jump to the second number, या दूसरी तरह से हम कह सकते हैं we have to skip one number and we have to jump onto the second number. इस ट्रेन में हमने वही किया है. We have skipped one number and jumped onto the second number. Skipped one number, jumped onto the second number. That ways we can arrange toys of the child and we can teach skip counting. This is also a great activity to teach skip counting. So these were the simple and interesting activities to teach difficult topics of maths, right? So you can teach counting, you can teach skip counting with the help of these activities, and I hope your children likes these activities and learn the concepts, because in maths what's important is to learn the concept, not the rote memorization. So if you have liked the video, please like it, subscribe it and comment in the section below. Thank you for watching.